Orientalist scholars were followed by the utilitarians. The utilitarian scholars did not agree with the view of the Orientalists that Indians are not capable of self-rule. The utilitarians and Christian missionaries of the 19th century who were present in Indian subcontinent were not sympathetic to Hinduism. Charles Grant, a Christian missionary of the 19th century England, viewed Hinduism as degenerated and Hindus as selfish, with degraded social behavior. Grant's ideas influenced Macaulay's Minute on Indian Education, which was published in 1835. The utilitarians such as James Mill and his book History of British India, which was published in 3 volumes in 1817, agreed with missionaries that Indians, especially Hindus, were corrupted. Mills divided Indian history into 3 periods: the Hindu, the Muslim, and the British. In this way, he tried to spread the seeds of communal division in the subcontinent. Mill termed Indian society as barbaric. So that was his interpretation of Indian society. James Mill said that Indian society is barbaric, stagnant, irrational, and all these 3 volumes of history of British India were written by James Mill on the basis of secondary sources. So he never visited Indian subcontinent. He did not know Sanskrit language, but on the basis of texts that were translated from Sanskrit to English, James Mill wrote these 3 books, and these 3 books became very important for the colonial rulers. They even prescribed this text as reference book for the Haileybury College. This Haileybury College was actually for civil servants who were posted in India. So this particular text was actually spreading false knowledge about Indian subcontinent, because this particular text was also a textbook for the civil servants who were getting trained in the Haileybury College. So besides James Mill, another scholar, another utilitarian scholar who wrote about Indian history is V.A. Smith. V.A. Smith wrote Early History of India in 1904. And in this book, Smith was one of the officials who stayed in India. So he had some first-hand experience of Indian culture and Indian history. So he was not as harsh as James Mill about India's past. And he said that actually Indian rulers are capable of ruling themselves. And he used the term Oriental despotism to explain Indian rulers. V.A. Smith said that the rulers such as Ashoka or Akbar, they were ruling as despot. So basically the whole idea of self-sufficient village community was propounded by the writings of James V.A. Smith. So V.A. Smith said that because the rulers were despot, so the villagers or the ordinary agriculturalists did not have any right over land. So they were tied to their villages, they lived in their village, and whatever they produced, they consumed locally. So the economy was self-sufficient. So there was some kind of village self-sufficiency. And so in that way, he portrayed the whole the past of India as something where the economy was very small and stagnant. So the interpretations offered by utilitarian scholars are also full of biasness. First biasness is that they divided India's history on the basis of communal ideology. That means the chronological division was not on the basis of events, but on the basis of the religion of ruling class. Second biasness of utilitarian scholars is that they talked about the economy of Indian subcontinent as something that is stagnant or self-sufficient. That means they projected Indian economy as something where there was no long distance trade and the villages were self-sufficient communities. And he also did not give any explanation about the trade or long distance trade or other economic activities in the region. So in that way, utilitarian view of India's history has many limitations.